The government is focused on implementing projects for agricultural development to accelerate the country's economy. This is because the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is also focused on increasing agricultural productivity, which aims to make farmers' products faster and more competitive in the market. Let's watch this Ang Pangulo at Ang Magsasaka story.
Ang Agrarian Reform Program ay dapat magpatuloy. Agrarian reform is not only about acquisition, but also about support services and distribution.
There will be more to come in Region 1.
Magandang hapon po. Ako po si Rolly Macho, chairman po ng Bangkok Samahang Nayong Multipurpose Cooperative. Napakalaking tulong kasi hindi na po kami nag-hire ng pang-deliver at saka hindi na nade-delay yung ating delivery kasi dito na po yung binigay ng DAR na delivery funds natin. Gusto pong magpapasalamat sa DAR kasi ang ating butihing secretary, Sir Conrado Estrella. At saka sa ating butihing President BBM, salamat po sa tulong. Kung wala po kayo siguro na tumutulong sa amin, palagay ko wala din po ang Bangkok Samahang Nayong.